How is it going, ladies and gentlemen? This is Sean Barnes. I want to welcome you back to the Way of the Wolf. I am in beautiful Palm Springs, California right now. Had the opportunity to come out here, give a speech at the conference that I am attending. And I thought, you know what? Let me go ahead, grab the camera, set up here on the golf course and capture some content so that you guys can enjoy a beautiful background while I share some lessons and thoughts that I have been having recently. As many of you know, started my company full-time about a year ago, and while challenging, one of the things that I've actually struggled with the most is the woman in the red dress. And no, I'm not talking about some good-looking woman that's here at the conference. I'm talking about in the Matrix when Neo is going through the simulation world with Morpheus and he gets distracted by the woman in the red dress. I think we've all seen that scene. Now, how does that relate to business? I don't know why, but over the past year, I have been flooded with more opportunities to start a new business or to invest in this development or buy and flip a property, or actually a few people have actually offered me equity in their business to help them grow and scale it. My God, so many different opportunities. And early on, I was like, yeah, tell me more. Ooh, tell me more about this. That sounds like a great opportunity. Yeah, maybe we can make some money. And I had to recognize that our business has to come first. We see all these stories of these serial entrepreneurs that have all 7 streams of income, and they didn't start that way. They built one thing up and accomplished incredible things while building that one business. And then once it was at a point where it was self-sustaining, then jumped over and started something else. Built that up and then jumped over and started something else. And I don't know why this concept is so foreign to me. That's exactly how my career trajectory was like in corporate America. Built up my skills in information technology, jumped into HR. Built up my skills in HR, jumped over to safety and transportation, started ESG. And you guys know the story. This correlates to exactly what I've been experiencing in the business realm. So my mission and focus now is to be even more singularly focused on our offering and what we do to provide the absolute highest quality level of service, period. The end. Coaching, consulting, those are the 2 areas that we focus on. Everything else goes to the wayside. If it does not support that mission, it is not important. When you narrow your focus like this, it makes it much easier for your team to rally behind you and understand, hey, this is the direction that we're going. Not this day, this direction one day, this direction the next, and so on. You have to stay focused in one area. So for all of you serial entrepreneurs out there, I've seen your LinkedIn profiles. CEO of company A, CEO of other company B, CEO of this company. Every single one of those companies, you were the only person. Stop. Just stop. Focus on one thing. Become the absolute best in the world at that thing. Pour all of your time and energy into that one thing, and you will be successful. That's the message for today, ladies and gentlemen. Figure out what it is that you want and relentlessly pursue that thing. All right, I've got some golfers over here. I'm about to get kicked off the course, so I gotta run now. Y'all have a good one.